Hello everyone. So in this video, let us do something very simple, and I know I'm making a video after a long time on this channel. So if you are doing something on Linux, you may want to, of course, try to run some commands, right? So when you run some commands, you will go to a directory. Sometimes you have to go to a specific directory to run a command. So let us do that. And what I will do is I will show you how this simple trick can save time. Now, imagine you want to run a command like simple ls. You want to list the files in a directory. Let us say I want to know all the files in my config directory, right? So it's a very simple command. If I do ls config, .config or whatever directory, or whatever path, you can of course do this. And this is of course something that I'm sure most of you, especially new Linux users, once you start using terminal, you may want to do everything on terminal. I think you should try to do things on terminal as much as you can if you want to be efficient, because if you can do something on a terminal, then potentially you can automate it. And once you start using it, there is no UI that can do things faster than what you can do on a terminal. So if you are running some commands, then often you will go to a directory and then you will have to run it, right? Now the thing is that what if you don't really want to a specific directory to run that command in that directory? You want to just maybe you want to run a command. For example, I have to sometimes run my local Jira server, so I have to go to a specific directory where my code is, and then I need to run atlas run, and then it will start a Jira instance locally. But to run this command, I have to go to a specific directory on my computer, and it is of course not that difficult. But of course, if you can save a couple of seconds, then why not? So to do this, all you need to do, so whenever you run a command like ls.config, of course you're doing it on a specific directory, and you can also do something like this. Basically, you can do cd, right? And if you do cd like this, you will basically be taken. You're basically doing like running some command, but you can also pass in here, like in the same command, double ampersand, and then do ls. So basically, what this will do, this will perform this ls command, or it will run this ls command, not in your current directory, but in this directory, which is .config, which is of course in my home. I may want to do something like this, right? And now I'm looking at the command which is running on a specific directory without leaving that directory, or without going to that, without ceding to that directory. You can of course pass your usual arguments, and this is of course super easy because it will save time. So yeah, very simple thing, but I thought I'll probably share it with everyone so that you can also save a couple of seconds. All right, that is it. I know, short video, but hopefully I'll be regular on this video now, or on this channel. All right, that is it. Bye bye.